back to Vantastic 2021, racing out of Sydney, Australia, on this fat track called Shorty. NZ, how are you?
I'm doing great. I mean, look at tonight. You've got drivers from all over the globe all competing in Heat 12. It's got a good international feel.
Happy days, NZ. Let's have a look at our lineup for tonight.
First up tonight, we've got Bert Buzzard driving for Cut Rock Racing in Snail Mail. Now, this van's a nice-looking majorette, and those Blackfire tyres are certainly going to help. Yeah, good luck, Bert.
Next up, the builder is Metal Mania 3D, the driver is Brian, and the van is G&R Vintage Diecast Racing. Good luck.
Give it up, ladies and gentlemen, for the commissioner, Racing Jason. All the way from Thailand, he's behind the wheel of a 56 Ford for Toon Tracks Racing. Go, Jace.
And right along Toon Tracks Racing, the builder is the Big Pair Racing. This one's weighing 92 grams and the driver is Escapes. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. Good luck, everyone.
I've been over all four of these vans and I just cannot choose a winner. I'm just hoping that the viewers can pick a favourite and let's see if it gets into first place. Good luck, guys.
Fantastic heat here on Mount Western Raceway, racing on Shorty. There's your leaders and your losers. Commiserations to the guys going home, and good luck to the teams moving forward into the semi-final.
Oh, right, winning 3 out of 4 races is Bert Buzzard for Cut Rock Racing, and they're through to the semis in snail mail. Nice driving, guys.
Also heading off to the semi-final spot is Escapes. The Big Bear production is the builder. Good luck in the semi-finals. Let's wrap it up, NZ. How about race 1 and Racing Jason?
Race 1, turn 1, and Racing Jason tries a reverse drift with disastrous results. He takes out a traffic cone and almost takes out Big Bear Racing as well.
All these drivers and teams really vying for that semi-final spot early in this heat. What are your thoughts on race 2, NZ?
Brian driving for Metal Mania 3D, he led right from the start. But Big Bear, he's put the block manoeuvre on Bert Buzzard. And it kind of worked because Bert's only just crossed the line in front of Racing Jason.
That was a tight finish there for 3rd place. How about race 4 and Snail Mail? Whoa, that's hot, man.
Well, there's proof that Snail Mail does not live up to its name. That thing is fast. And also a lot of contact between the other 3 vans sees only a few points separating them going into the final race.
Lots of contact, however, they all made it down the bottom. Let's go into the last one.
Let's just all take a moment here to appreciate Brian's skills of going from last to first straight into turn 1. Then let's just appreciate him totally losing control. All the other 3 just passed him without a care in the world while he's spinning and banging away down the straight.
An unfortunate ending there for Brian, otherwise he had a clean start into that turn.
Well, we've got to say goodbye to Brian from GNR Vintage Diecast Racing, nicely sponsored there by Metal Mania 3D. A nice build too there, KC. Also, end of the road for Racing Jason. Cool looking 56 Ford there, buddy. And we will see you again at Tune Tracks Racing.
Fantastic wrap up there, NZ. Once again, thank you to all the sponsors who have made this program what it is today. We really appreciate your contribution to the channel and also this racing event, Vantastic 2021. From myself and NZ Racing, we'll catch you later.